Hello, Dumelang, Sanbonani, Molueni, and a warm welcome to the Maths Genius video tutorial series brought to you by SABC Education. In these tutorials, we help you unleash the mathematical genius in you by showing you key mathematical concepts and how you can master them for success like a true genius.
Today we're going to be looking at a special characteristic of the square of an odd number. The characteristic states that the square of an odd number, is always one more than a multiple of 8. So, what are the multiples of 8? If you look at it, it's 8, 16, 24, 32, and like that. So that means that 8 times 1, 8 times 2, 8 times 3, 8 times 4, 8 times 5, and so on and so forth. So we're saying that given any odd number, and you square that number, it's always going to be one more than a multiple of 8. Let's experiment. What odd numbers do we have? We have 3, 5, 7, 9. Today we're going to be looking at the characteristics of the square of an odd number in relation to the multiples of 8. So you find that the rule says that the square of an odd number is always one more than a multiple of 8. So we just need to prove that mathematically. So let's see. So I will get the multiples of 8. The multiples of 8. So 8 times 1 is 8 times 2, 16, 24, 32, 40, and so on and so forth, right? And then let's look at the squares of odd numbers, right? The squares of odd numbers. Now, I'll start at 3 because 3 squared is equal to 9, which is the first one that's above 8. 1 is inconsequential. So 3 squared will give me 9. 5 squared, which is the next odd number, will give me 25. And 7 squared, which is equal to 49, right? So if you look at it, you'll find that 3 squared is 1 more than 8. 5 squared is 1 more than 24. 7 squared is 1 more than 48, which if we continued, we'd have 48 here. So it says 48 plus 1, 49. 24 plus 1, 25. 8 plus 1, 9. So we need to prove this mathematically. And to do that, let k be equal to 2n plus 1, where we're saying that this 2n represents an even number. So an even number plus 1 should give you an odd number, because on the number line, you find that it's going to be odd, even, odd, even, odd, even, like that. So the trend continues in the positive and also the negative side. So we know that an even number plus 1 will give you an odd number. That's why we say let k, the odd number, be equal to 2n plus 1. Right. Now, k squared, that's an odd number squared, will give you 2n plus 1 squared, which is equal to 4n, n plus 1 plus 1. So using that method of, some call it the smiley face method, or however you were taught to remove brackets, use that, and you finally get to this stage, right? Now, if you get to this stage, you are saying that it's equal to 4 times n plus 1. Now this part, you are guaranteed that n times n plus 1 is going to be an even number, because even times odd is going to be even at all times, okay? It's going to be even at all times. So you're guaranteed that n times n plus 1 will be even. Why? Because this is n, this is even, times n plus 1, which is odd, so it would be an even product. So 4 times an even number guarantees you that then this one, this number, was going to be a multiple of 8. So instead of writing it like that, you can say multiple of 8 plus 1. Why did we know that it's a multiple of 8? Because this product, 4 times n plus 1, is always going to be even. Because we know that this part, n times n plus 1 is even, so the evenness guarantees us that it's a multiple of 8. So from here, you have actually proven mathematically that this is a true statement. So try and look for other examples that have such kind of equality and experiment. Thank you very much.
Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Unleash your mathematical genius today. If you have any maths questions, you can post them for free on www.mathsgenius.co.za or email them to info@mathsgenius.co.za.